Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can do a flow dynamics calibration on Bambu Studio. So basically the first thing that you want to do is to navigate through your project, and from here you then want to click on the calibration mode. From there it will then take you to this page, so simply select the flow dynamics option and then you want to select the auto calibration. From there it will then import the necessary information like nozzle diameter, the plate type, and the filaments for calibration. Basically, you want to make sure that everything is right on your diameter, plate type, and more. Now, this calibration is the process of turning how your printer compensates for the lag or elasticity of melted filament as it moves through your nozzle. Now, this is really important because without proper calibration, your printer will likely suffer from several quality issues, especially at the high speeds Bambu printers are known for. You will have sharp corners, consistent extrusions, dimensional accuracy, and surface quality. Basically, you can just go ahead and make sure to apply the right diameters, the right plate type, and the filament for calibration, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.